welcome to my channel. A very happy Friday to everyone out there. I'm super excited to sit down today. This is a fast mom spring look. I go very minimal for the last couple months of the school year just because there's a lot going on for the end of the school year and my daughter's running track and spring cleaning. There's just a lot to do. So I do minimal makeup a lot of the days for the last couple months. Like I said, I have 3 kiddos in 3 different school buildings and there's a lot going on. So if you're excited to see how to cut back your routine but still have a very fresh, very beautiful spring makeup look, give this video a big thumbs up. Let's jump right into the video. Hopefully everybody is having a fantastic Friday. My face is washed, moisturized, and sunscreened. I am currently using the Clinique one that's in a bottle, a yellow bottle. Forgot to grab it, but I have it linked down below if you're interested. I am going to start with the Revlon Colorstay Prep and Protect Primer Base. It does have SPF 34 in it. Not that I would suggest using this as an SPF, but extra coverage, and that's why I am going to use it. I do really, really like this as well. I like how it wears under everything. I also really like how it wears on bare face. It does, I feel like, give a little bit of like a natural dewy glow. Not a shimmer, not like I have the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. That one makes your face a disco ball. I mean, it's beautiful as long as you're going to put a foundation over it. I couldn't wear it on its own, but not like that. But it's very, very pretty. And like I said, extra coverage is extra coverage, right? And I am just going to place this all over. I also feel like it does a fairly decent job of kind of smoothing out my pores. It's not pore filling. It doesn't claim to be pore filling, but I definitely feel like it softens my skin texture. So that's another reason I really, really like this on its own. You know, just throw a mascara on, or like we're going to do today, just a quick no makeup day with concealer. But this is really becoming one of my favorites. I am going to go in with the Ulta Beauty Youthful Glow Concealer. This is a really, really nice concealer. It's one of my favorites, and I like how it wears. I really, really like how it wears for no makeup days. And I am going a little bit ham just because I like to cover the tops of my cheeks right there. So I did go overboard with the concealer. Underneath my eyes, even when I do these no makeup looks, I still feel like using my fingers for the concealer is best. Because I like to cover, like I said, I've got a reddish discoloration issues anyways on top of my cheeks. And then I feel really strongly that my concealer underneath my eye and around my eye, it really has been wearing at the absolute best just using my fingers. So that's why I'm using my finger here. But I do have my L'Oreal sponge here, and I will just kind of make sure everything else is blended out on the cheek. But I just wanted that high point out right there totally covered. And I do one side and then I go back to the other side. I don't know why. But when I do no makeup with just concealer, that's just how I kind of do it. Another one I like to do this with is the Maybelline Fit Me. But using my finger has really changed how my concealer has been wearing. And I haven't changed like my eye area skincare. So I really think it's just my finger. Okay. And then for the rest of my face, because I'm not using my finger, I will just dab a little bit where I'm red. And then whatever's left on the brush, I just kind of smear on my forehead over the dark spots. And I just use a sponge for this. It won't totally cancel out, but it will tone down the red quite a bit. Yeah, this isn't a high coverage concealer. Ulta does have a high coverage concealer I like, but I think it must be out because I don't have it anymore. But I have repurchased that quite a few times. That is a good concealer. Okay, and face is concealed. I am going to set my face with the Candid Anti-Pollution Setting Powder from Revlon. I really like this powder. It's just kind of helping my pores blur a little bit more since I'm not wearing a foundation. I don't set my under eye, but I do want it all over the rest of my face. And I am going to take a little bit of powder on this brush. I usually set my under eyes with this, but I am just going to go over my eyebrows because this really works. For eyebrows, I'm going in with a NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I have mine in the shade Ash Brown. This is the best micro pencil I've used so far. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my MAC Powder Blush in Margin Frost. And I am just going to take a angled blush brush. I love this blush. I am skipping bronzer. There's like a couple weeks where I'm okay with skipping the bronzer, and it's the fresh springtime air, I think. And I like this one because there's a little bit of a glow to it. I'm also going to take a eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow as well. And I'm going to place this all over the lid. Very springtime, and with it having just a little bit of a shift to it, it does kind of give a glossy kind of look. And I'm going to use the other end, which is the fluffy shader brush, and I'm going to take this in the crease. Not too high, but just build up the color a little bit so it doesn't look like it's just on my lid. Pretty much just tucking it right underneath my natural brow bone right there. I actually have never used this shade for an eyeshadow, and I really like it. I really, really like this. This is also great if you're traveling and you don't need full glam makeup, but you want makeup, like camping. I don't remember. Oh, last year when I went camping, I took the IT Cosmetics Vitality Face Disc, the big one. Fantastic for travel, like for camping. I did the same thing. Oh, hey, and that is it for eyes. One product, one and done. I like those. I am going to go in with a highlighter. It's completely unnecessary, but I'm going to go in with a highlighter. I'm going to go in with the OFRA highlighter in Star Island. I just got this in my Ipsy, and I really like it. So, yeah, I'm just going to hit the high points. It's so pretty, and I am going to take what's left down the center of my nose. And that's it. You could do the inner corner, but I'm just going very, very simple for the day. And I am just going to go in with the Grand Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. I just have the sample size, but I really like this stuff. When it's out, I'm really going to buy the big one. It lasts quite a while, and it does plump. But I really like this stuff. I feel like it plumps my lips to the point where I don't see the lines in it anymore. So that's why I really, really like this one. And it lasts quite some time on my lip. And I am going to go in with my Clinique Duo, the Lash Builder Primer with the High Impact Black Mascara. Okay, and this is the finished look. I really like this gloss. It makes, well, while it's plumping my lips, it kind of gives it a berry tone, so I really like it for that. Super quick, super easy, very few products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've only got 8 products in my box. I didn't spray my face. I don't feel like I have to with this look. It's not heavy. I don't have a lot of stuff going on in my face. So this routine really, I mean, I could get this done really fast and I'm not chatting. I really appreciate you guys sitting it down and hanging out with me for a quick get ready with me this Friday. I hope everyone has an amazing weekend. If you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I do uploads Monday through Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!